Ooh, I'm back from the web menu and today I'm playing. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. You can drive cars now, by the way. Alright. Today I'm playing Spider Fighter 3 and there's a new mission. On there you can see what was I have to detect here? What it showed some detection thing? Oh, a snowman thing. Okay, but today there's a new mission. You can see the heart with the 2 near it. It's the second Valentine's Day event, like the one last year. I have seen what it's like, and Black Cat got a remodel. So yeah. Oh, look at the Captain America snowman I built. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, almost there. Alright. Oh, graffiti. Oh, what happened? Oh yeah. What is this? A cutscene. Oh, Strider, what's up? You look upset. I am this stupid graffiti. Cry. What? Oh yeah, that's what it was showing. Okay, Black Cat has a new model. Honestly, someone I trusted betrayed me and so myself. The thief got robbed. I know how to cheer you up. Wait here. Okay, so now we have to go find jewelry. Okay. Okay, destroy. Was that bad guy in the box? Okay, another guy. Okay, I'm just gonna be like virus and destroy everything. Okay. Easy. Die. Easy. Okay, I got that cat ring thing. Now what do I do? Okay, I have to go here. Also, wait, I just remembered. Razor Hoof will get, look, a promo code skin. The code hasn't been revealed yet, but in the Discord it will be removed and it will be a giveaway, so maybe only one person might get it. Okay, break this like this. Now all of them will break and everyone will like, what are those? Hands or something? Earrings? Okay, why was I going to the portal? Oh, hacker girl. Yeah. What if I like become hacker girl? I can be hacker girl and help hacker girl. And wait, what if I like? Oh wait, no, I couldn't do it. If I turned on like help, would there be 3 hacker girls? Wait, what? I wasn't reading. What? How interesting. Are you talking about this? Yes, can you give it to me? We can return jewelry to Black Cat together. Oh, cutscene. Oh, very good cutscene. Oh, very amazing cutscene. I like this. I want more cinematics like this. Oh, look, Black Cat and her hacker girl. Okay, what? Here, take it. I think this is yours. Thanks, my hero. I'm not your hero. Am I interrupting? Should I leave? No, you misunderstood. Oh, slap. Battle. Wait, I can pick one of them. How am I gonna? Oh no, it's not picking. I thought I could fight as Black Cat. Even if I could, it would probably be like a reskin of Deadpool, because she seems like she will have the same powers. Oh, she said, why are we even fighting? Let him. I choose hacker girl. I like both of you. Okay, why was I Venom for a second? What? Okay. What happened? What happened here? Oh, Strider's depressed now. Wow. Okay, that will definitely be the thumbnail. Okay, new hacker girl skin unlocked. A cat. Okay, I would like it more if it was like Black Cat herself. But whatever. It's okay. Cool skin. They should really change the hoverboard effects. Let's do a portal fight. Yeah. Okay. Ah, hey, why you hit me? Yeah. Yeah. Hit that. What? Yeah. Take it, die. Okay, look at this skin. It has what's that written? Hackar. Hack. It's hack. Yeah, it's written hack on there. Okay, on which skins is it written hack? I think only this and this. It's just oh my god, it's just a recolor of the normal skin, but with cat ears. I'm still gonna use this skin because like it's what do you say? Oh yeah, premium. Yes. Yeah. So now, yeah, that's it for today's video. Goodbye. Goodbye.